Hi you guys, it's me Shante and welcome back to Shake It Up with Shante. If you've been here before, welcome back as always. And if this is your very first time tuning in, welcome. I am Shante. Look, listen, I'm gonna be showing y'all my garden. I know y'all read the title and some of you guys cannot wait. You're still watching that video that I posted 2 years ago, first time gardening ever, which turned out to be great. If you did not see it, I will link that video in the description, in the bottom of this video, in the description box. I'm gonna link that first time garden video there if you have not seen it. But I have been getting so many comments pertaining to that video about my garden, the garden update, and so forth and so forth. And y'all, I've downsized from then. It was my first time and it did great, but it was some things about it I did not like the watermelon grows everywhere, which is the same as the cucumbers, but I get a lot more out of my cucumber bed than the watermelon. Also, I didn't do the onions, you guys, and there's a lot of things that kind of changed. So you're in for a treat. If you have not seen it, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned. Let's get into this garden so I can harvest some of these vegetables. All right, y'all, so I got my little handy dandy little basket here. I'm gonna go out here. I got some herbs over there, y'all. I planted these flowers this summer. Y'all see how neat it is compared to a couple years ago when I first started. We had stuff everywhere. We had tomato bed up there. We had corn up there. We had watermelon growing everywhere. Y'all, it was just a lot of maintenance. It was a lot of work. So I've learned in the past year, like last year and this year, to just do the things that I really like and I really think is convenient for me. Like I love cucumbers. I use them in a lot of stuff. So of course I'm gonna grow the cucumbers. Flowers, y'all, believe it or not, this is my first time planting flowers like this, and they have been thriving. When I say they have been thriving, look at these. They are absolutely beautiful, y'all. And I did this like a month and a half ago maybe, and they were small. They have grown. I have an actual reel on my Facebook that shows what I use to feed them and how I grew them, the name of them. I can't even tell y'all what's the name of these flowers. I just went to Lowe's one day and said, this pretty, I like this, and I like this, and that's what I planted. I have the name of it somewhere, and if I can find it, I'm gonna leave it in the description. But this is my first time, y'all. Like I said, I got herbs over here, different kinds. I think I got like 5 different kinds. I have some cherry tomatoes here, which has grown tremendously. I have some bell peppers back there that I'm about to harvest, some jalapeno peppers, some banana peppers, and of course my cucumber bed over here. We've been picking those all summer because, you know, cucumbers grow like crazy. If you didn't know, they grow like crazy. Y'all, this is my sanctuary back here. Just look at my yard. When I tell y'all I love my space back here, I absolutely love it. I love it. And my husband keeps the yard up. He keeps it so neat, you know, and everything. And I come back here. So I absolutely love it, you guys. But enough talking. Let me get into these cucumbers over here because I'm about to pick some stuff. Okay, y'all can see it's drying out a little bit, but that don't even matter. It don't even matter. These babies still gonna grow. And like I said, we've been picking these for months now. I've been canning them and everything. So I'm gonna just grab a few. Look at this big one. And we have a couple of different kinds of cucumbers in here. I can't even really tell y'all the name of them because, child, you know, when you start, I'm gonna just break this off. Got that one. It's a real big one right here. I'm just gonna get these 3 because we have a few in the house that we just pulled like a couple days ago. And I did some like a week ago. And let me tell y'all, like I bought some pickles for my grandkids, you know, maybe like a month ago. They love the little sliced pickles. So I didn't throw away the juice. What I did was I sliced some cucumbers, the little short ones like this. I sliced them very thin and I put them in that that dill pickle jar with that leftover pickle juice. I added a little bit more vinegar to it. Man, 2 days, those cucumbers taste just like the pickles that I brought out the store. Even better, they was a lot fresher. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna get some of these bell peppers, banana peppers, and jalapenos. Let me just walk around and get up here, y'all, because this hill ain't no joke, baby. All right. So let me get these bell pepper right here. This a big one. Look how big this is. Ooh. Let me get this one. It's two, actually it's three on here that's big. I'm gonna pull that one. Look at it, y'all. Get this one. And I'm gonna let that one grow a little bit longer. A little bit more. I'm gonna pick some jalapenos. I'm gonna can these as well. Just gonna get a couple. And then I'm gonna get some banana peppers. Let me come back down here. Get a few of these banana peppers. Well, last year, y'all, I did the cayenne. Whew, never again, baby. Never again.
These are cherry tomatoes, right?
Yeah. These are cherry tomatoes. It's a lot of them in here, but I'm only gonna get a few. Just a few, y'all. Look at that. All right, y'all, so now I'm over here with the herbs. I got some garden sage right here. I'm just gonna get a couple of these. I don't know why I like to cut it, y'all. I think it's neat to cut it, but I'm gonna get a cut. Ooh, ooh, it smells so good and strong. And then we got some lemon balm. I'm gonna cut a little piece off, and it smells just like lemon, y'all. It smells, I mean, real strong. Woo, real strong like lemon. Put this in my basket. I got some basil. Now this is my favorite, y'all. Basil, when I tell y'all, this go on everything. This, y'all know how we use onion powder, garlic powder. This is me with basil. Baby, I put this on everything. We got some rosemary. Cut a little piece of that. Get a couple pieces of this rosemary. Okay. This smells so good, y'all. And we got some parsley right here, which I'm not gonna pick any parsley right now, but this is parsley right here, black Italian parsley. And last but not least, y'all, we got some lemon trees. Look up there. You see the two little lemon trees? Let me get up here so y'all can see how little they are. Got some lemon trees, which probably gonna take forever to grow. But yeah, y'all, that's what I got going on. So let me show you y'all my harvest, what I got. Okay, y'all, look at here. This is all I picked. Now, herbs, I use a lot of. That's why I do my herbs, because I use a lot of herbs. I use herbs in everything, all types of meat, soups. I use herbs on everything. These cherry tomatoes, they good for pastas if you just want to eat them, because you can really just eat these. They're so sweet. And when I tell y'all, woo, that thing tastes good.
Let me get one of those.
Cucumbers, I'm good, baby. They fresh, they good. They so good. Bell pepper, ain't nothing like growing your own stuff in your garden, y'all. And I use this like on the regular. Look at these peppers. Last year I did hot peppers, but this year I wasn't gonna do too many hot peppers because I don't really like no hot spicy food. But y'all, this all me right here. I'm loving this, you guys. I'm absolutely loving this. So that's my garden update. I know a lot of people been asking me, about my garden. No, I didn't do watermelon. I kind of like it neat and looking like it looks. It looks all neat and well put together. And I know a lot of people's garden is not supposed to look neat and it don't look neat. But I like mine to look neat because I like to come out here and just look at it. I like to come out here and look at it and, see how pretty it is. So That's why I narrowed it down to what I really, really like. Yes, if I had a big 3-4 acre yard, I might have some watermelon growing somewhere, but I don't. So this is what I like. This suits my yard perfectly fine. Y'all, these bugs out here, baby.
The fuck is that? Shit!
Let me tell y'all something. I'm about to go in the house. Let's take this in because I can't deal with these bugs. For real, for real. Hand in. All right, y'all. So I wanted to come in the house because, baby, them bugs was getting a little bit too much for me. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all what I harvested out of my garden, my little small garden that I downsized to from 2 years ago when I first started. Who taught me how to garden? Lead farmer. Didn't know nothing about it. I always wanted to do it, but he really kind of showed me the way. But anywho, I think I got it down pat now. Well, I ain't got it down pat. Let me stop lying. But I know how to do a little something. Let me just say that, y'all. So what I do is once I get my vegetables in, I clean them. I put them in the sink with some water, some vinegar, and I let it sit maybe about 15, 20 minutes. Let it clean itself. For me, that's clean. That's all I do, y'all. And that's my update on my garden. I know a lot of y'all want to know the update. I ain't do the watermelon and the onion and all that other stuff, the corn, them big old smell. I ain't do none of that this year because, like I said, it's just too much. And I can't deal with all that.
Hey, wait. What about that tomato you ate straight out the garden? You didn't clean that one.
God washed that off before I even ate it. Hey, that's gonna be all right.
Okay.
So, the rest of I'm just gonna put in some water and and call it a day. But if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so. I greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm gonna show y'all how I really wash it and how I jar them and put them in my jar and cut them up and so forth and so forth. But don't forget, go down in the description bar and I'm gonna link that video for my first time gardening with those watermelons. Y'all stay tuned until the next video. I see y'all then. Bye. Y'all, wait. Do y'all think I can make like some little fried green tomato balls out of the little green ones? Y'all let me know what y'all think and tell me how y'all think they'll taste. But we're gonna try. Ain't no telling y'all. Bye.